That. Pass the gun, Tom. Hang on. Cool, thank you. We popped his head in that window, I hit him in the face.
Yeah. If anyone comes in here, just fucking Keyblades.
Oh, hell.
Right, whereabouts?
Hello, Shield, we could really do with your help.
You can't miss him.
Get in here.
On a shotgun to go with that Shield. Huh? Said you want a shotgun to come with you. I'm going to shoot shotgun from the front.
Did you just bat him on the head with the shield?
I better call that a rejection, huh?
You'll be alright.
You're good.
No, Jones, I shot the shotgun for fun.
Oh, that's fine.
Fucking hell.
Oh, that's a long way up. See, my bullets were really when we came here.
Yeah.
Oh. You guys are fucking ruthless!
Foot on door!
Yeah, no.
Oh.
You guys are fucking ruthless!
I was waiting. I was hoping.
I was playing peekaboo when you correct you.
For me?
Yeah, with the tree down there.
I
was like,
Oh.
I couldn't fucking hit you. Where's the guy down there? Where's the guy down there for the moment?
Adam,
This kid. You were.
What about that?
I was playing peekaboo, just waving at you.
Christ.
I was just waiting here.
Oh,
Waiting
God.
for the flag, like.
I got the flag back up. I was just like, I'm going for that flag. Fuck it.
You done well, guys. Well done.
Yeah, but that was unfair, though, wasn't it?
Do you want unfair? Your flipping respawn, me and Darren were at the gauntlet and we were just waving at you guys. From your respawn.
Oh yeah, was that you guys?
Yeah.
Because everyone had their guns aimed at you guys, right?
Yeah. We got lit up in the first few
We
seconds.
got at least like 10, 15 people shooting in that direction.
It's like we didn't stand a chance.
Well, you done well though, either way.
Oh yeah. Well, where's the org?
We both shot each other.
Do you know what? I couldn't see. I think you had a flash.
Village. Can you let people know that we are stopping the spawns after lunch? So if anyone's left kit here, they need to come and collect it.
Oh. I am fucked.
Huh?
I am fucked. No, you were good. You were very good. You pushed up well, actually. I was stuck with my pistol, but you were pushing up so well, I just couldn't get a solid shot on you. I fired a few at you, but it was like, nah. I had the range, but just not the aim. Oh.
Meg as well. It's not heavy.
Meg's that, weapon safe. Too strong, I'll ban you. Thank you.
In all honesty, forgot.
Rear the barrel. You know
Alright. Of course I do. I call that clear. Actually. Yeah, that's clear. I'm doing my best.